Hey, I'm John Cannell, and today on Preppy Kitchen, I'm sharing the most exciting news ever that my second book, Preppy Kitchen Super Easy, is done and available for pre-order today. You can click the link in the description box below to order your copy and make sure to save your receipt for all the fun sweepstakes and giveaways we'll be doing. And I am so excited to start sharing some of the delicious, quick and easy recipes from it. I wrote it for all us busy people who want to get something delicious on the table but don't have a lot of time on their hands. I had so much fun writing this book. The recipes are fast, easy, and simple, but so delicious. And my dream was to write a book that people could come back to again and again. So every recipe has so many variations, as well as all the time-saving tips. I'm actually making the boys' favorite everyday chocolate chip cookies from the book right now. I'm using dry mix. You can have pre-made mixes that you can just dump in, and then you can have chocolate chip cookies so quickly. The book has a whole pantry of convenience where I show you how to make your own mixes for cookies, cakes, and waffles, and I show you how to stock up on the basics so you can always make a recipe and you're not left scrambling. I always feel that chocolate chip cookies are so personal because some people, like Brian, want them to be really chewy but cakey. Some people like them to be flat and crispy and everywhere in between. So every recipe has so many variations, as well as all the time-saving tips. And for our family's favorite crispy citrus chicken, I'll show you how to make it with a pan fry or with the air fryer, and it is so good either way. My personal favorite is the air fryer because it's so fast with no cleanup. Aside from the breakfast, salads, and mains, there's a whole chapter for one-pan meals because I know when it's dinner time, that is when the panic sets in and you're like, oh my gosh, I have 20 minutes to get this ready. I need to have everything set out. I can't go to the store. What can I make? That chapter is there for you and there's less cleanup. Everything is delicious and it's so fast. I don't know if you like pancakes or waffles, but in my house, we love both. So I perfected a recipe that gives you fluffy, amazing, tender pancakes and half a batch of waffles, and they're both gonna be delicious with no separate batters happening. For authors like me, pre-orders are so important. They let the publisher know how many copies to print and like what to expect. So I hope that you can pre-order yours today, and thank you so much for the support. I cannot wait to see you on the next book tour, hear about the delicious things you're making, and just share some fun stories about food too. Enjoy!